What's up, shirt heads? Welcome back to the Shirt Head Nation. I'm Kalani, or XK. I'm the Sporty Shirt Guru. This channel has one purpose: elevating your shirt collection. Every week, come to this channel for a sporty shirt reveal that is 100% guaranteed to boost your style IQ or your money back. Just kidding. There's no money back guarantee. Ready for this week's shirt? Let's go! Face it. Most guys hold back when letting their individuality shine with fashion. I mean, how many more plain white tees can we really justify owning? They made this shirt for the modern man with a secure personal style ready to turn heads with his artistic, intelligent edge. At the very least, it's for a man who's comfortable with others scrutinizing him and trying to understand his unconventional style. If you love this fabulous shirt, stay and watch the video until the end when I show you where to buy it. But here's a clue. I found this shirt in Las Vegas in a boutique right next to an Elvis impersonator selling rhinestone jumpsuits. True story. Look at this dazzling pattern. Isn't it wild and beautiful? It's called Fibonacci. You've seen the pattern before when you look closely at a spiral seashell or pine cone. Similarly, your room will begin to spin when you consume excessive amounts of adult beverages. The twisting shapes make a weird pattern that gets bigger when you stare at it. These swirly golden shapes twist and curve across the fabric. The spirals look like they're moving and bending in trippy ways. There are bright, engaging colors like orange, blue, purple, and yellow that make the Fibonacci spirals pop. The colors seem to glow against the soft, silky material. Before we go any further, if you find this content useful and beneficial enough to level up your personal style, please subscribe, click like, and receive notifications whenever I drop a new episode. When you run your hands over the shirt, you'll imagine feeling the spiral pattern sticking out. The fabric has a lovely texture that makes it a pure pleasure to wear. Wearing a shirt with this wild pattern gives you a stylish swagger. I believe your presence will make a statement louder than your voice. If nothing else, it will serve as a distraction from the spinach tangled in your teeth. Kidding. We all suffer from having spinach lodged in our teeth. One day, I wore my Fibonacci shirt to Best Buy to pick up a video game. The moment I walked in, I noticed people staring at me and checking out my shirt. The salesperson said, "Whoa, that's a crazy pattern on your shirt, but it's so cool." Wear the Fibonacci shirt to fancy places like a museum, or dress it down with sneakers and fitted pants. Here's why I believe every shirt head needs this shirt. Number one, it's super unique with the Fibonacci swirl design. You won't see anyone else wearing this crazy pattern. Number two, the vibrant glowing colors and raised texture make it enjoyable to look at and touch. Your eyes won't get bored with this shirt. Number three, it makes you look like a true individual, someone who is cultured and stylish. Four, wearing the Fibonacci pattern sparks tons of intriguing conversations like the one I had at Best Buy. Five, it's very versatile. Dress it up fancy or keep it casual. You can wear it to a party or for grocery shopping. It works everywhere. And six, you get to show off your knowledge of cool natural patterns. The Fibonacci spiral is everywhere. Finally, this shirt is truly a statement piece. Get yours before others beat you to this one-of-a-kind look. Here's a moment you've been waiting for. The Fibonacci button down is available now at Maceo.com. That's MACEEO.com. It'll cost you $185. Not cheap, but worth the sacrifice. Furthermore, consider it an investment in your style's future. Consider investing in your social media following. I regret the necessity of begging, but I would be appreciative if you could press the like button. Leave a comment now about your favorite shirt and why you like it. And if you don't, I'll assume you're just here for my dazzling personality. Thanks for watching, Shirthead Nation. I'll see you in the next episode. In the meantime, please check out this one. And remember, life's too short for boring shirts.